Wagwan people. What's going on? You know, some boy, Dr. Love. I have his work there. And I'm driving from one job to the other. But me have some little me have something I want to adjust. Something I have to adjust. It's a fair warning. Somebody talk King mix up for me. Talk King mix up and talk mix up time. Right? And entertainment buzz. Wanna talk them for me. Yeah, it's a fair warning. So don't talk them for me. Right? It's called 2023. And 2023 I got end in a fine style, and 2023 I got end in a way where something need to resolve. I don't talk Queenie too. I don't talk Queenie. Somebody talk Queenie in England. Somebody talk Queenie in England for me. I don't know if I talk them. And any bloggers I put up my thing them without my permission, when you need to contact me, because I remember say cars I put up my thing them. And if when I put up my content them, right? When I put up my content them and I put up wrong name and it, and I put up something when I not say. Right? So I want to adjust something. I want to get to the pen and the paper too. Get to the pen and the paper and all the bloggers them. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. Somebody tag Shelly Curran. Somebody tag Shelly Curran. I don't know a long time I don't come talk. When I come to talk a different kind of thing. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. Tag Shelly. My friend, I say you go to England, you that's your friend. It's alright, that's your friend. I see you England. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me, please. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. And tag King Mix Up. Yeah, I laugh. You think me I laugh? Me not laugh with you. You dash me away. Hey, woman not easy, you know? Woman not easy at all. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. You can't stand me? It's alright. You dash me away, man. Go on. It's alright. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. No, as a matter of fact, I'm find Shelly. But my phone tell Shelly to come for Instagram. Because I need to make some things clear. The next time I go on, mama. Shelly, I want Shelly Curran. Somebody tag Shelly Curran for me. I tell Shelly Curran to me need her for 2 minutes. Somebody. Yeah, because you know, I really as I said, I don't come for Instagram regular, you know. I don't come for Instagram regular. But when me do come on for Instagram, I different kind of settings. I'm going to call Shelly. Because Shelly, I'm looking for a friend. Yeah, Shelly, I'm looking for a friend. I have a different kind of ratings to Shelly. Yeah. I call Shelly not answer her phone. Shelly probably busy. But even if Shelly no answer, when Shelly send a message, Shelly we responded back. I want to with Shelly I responded back to me. I mean, Shelly not sit down on phone and chat nobody. I don't ginger that. Ginger me general. Ginger me general, where I go. Shelly not answer her phone, but Shelly will see the message. Shelly no answer. Shelly probably no. Let me tell you this. Let me make something clear. Me, I go give Shelly Curran one exclusive interview. An interview one never, ever see. Nowhere yet. Me, I go give Shelly Curran the interview to interview me. And in the interview, it's not about passa, it's about talking some things, revealing some things what you don't know. And there's one person in it. There's one person in it. And I'm going to show you the ratings of Vegas. Oh, Vegas ratings is and oh, a good person Mr. Vegas is. Somebody tag Mr. Vegas to me. Somebody tag Mr. Vegas too. Somebody tag Mr. Vegas. I want to tag Mr. Vegas to me. Yeah. But me, I go give Shelly Current an interview one and never hear. And you see, you RT Alex, nada simit, you nada simit. We're walking around and I call up name and I say all kind of things. You come on my Instagram before and you call my name and I foolish. But this is the time when I gonna make the world know say me was the one who trained you and I was the one who, remember say two Obeah man in the day Jamaica, you know. You have the real one and the fake one. And the real Obeah man name was Mr. Reuben Williams. Died at 74-year-old out of St. Thomas. On a list of me, I want to go do the history. I want to go up on YouTube and type in Mr. Williams by Dr. Love. Type in the Obeah song there. Right? There was two Obeah man there in Jamaica. Reuben Williams, he died at 74 years old. And then another Obeah man there now, right? Which was a fake Obeah man. He was not real Obeah man, but when there certain things are going on, him always take the bullet and take the table for talk about certain things. I remember this. And me boss RT Alex. It was me and Fred them on the SWAT team make RT Alex have a name when RT Alex live in the project. Right? Even when RT Alex, I'll save that part for Shelly when Shelly do the interview. But RT Alex, let me tell you this plain and straight, people. RT Alex Nado Simit does not know nothing about no Obeah. He can't read nobody. He don't know nothing about voodoo. RT Alex does not know nothing about Obeah. RT Alex, you have to read exercise book. Right? So when I walk out and tell people say I'm spiritually, he's not spiritually when you come out of my camp. And my camp you come out, you know. I mean training, you know. Right? Remember saying at the end of the day, you know. And me give you Mr. Williams' daughter. Right? Which was the real Obeah man daughter where you was looking and talking to. And she that give a certain pinpoint. And you go around me. Remember people wanted to go do the history before the interview come because a bag of things I got talk. One time RT Alex couple years ago, go to Jamaica, that I went and then just getting green card and go to Jamaica. And then go kill a goat. Right? Him and his friend then kill a goat and say that him a kill a goat for Obeah me and fret them. When you remember I wanted to go do no history about it, you know. Right? And RT Alex turn around and name the goat. Oh, you come out and say you read them and you come out and you chat a bag of things about when me train you. Me train you. Me give you certain leeway and all that. And the Obeah person we get, it was the Obeah man daughter. It was not even the real person. It wasn't even the real Obeah man because guess what happened? I could even give you the real Obeah man number because guess what? It was a problem me doing that. So me use the fake one and give it to you. And the fake one teach you a bag of things where me never know how to go on. So you need to stop walking around and then when you talk about me, you talk about the spice. Say, oh, you help spice. How can you help spice RT when you don't know nothing about Obeah? You don't know nothing about Obeah. You don't know how to read anybody. You can't even read exercise book. Me in the same category because one time I come to America, me learn how to read good. When me come to America, I come to America as a young youth, me know how to write my name good and read good. And you can't put nothing in front of me and me not read it and write it now. So how comes you come out and say, boy, you're Obeah man and read a man and you walk around and you cut and clear? How can you cut and clear Queenie when you don't know about Obeah? How could you? And then you know the thing about it to RT is because now, you see me not really up on Facebook like before. So Shana come, there come Shan come. Because Shana part of the SWAT team. And we and Shana fret them. Boss RT. I true fret them not really get involved in a passa again. Because I bring and fret them say, who boss RT nada simit. It was the SWAT team who boss him. I remember this, people, learn this. I was the first person and the only person who ever come out on social media publicly and talk about Obeah. I was the first person. And me open the door for people like RT, everybody come out and talk about Obeah now. And then RT I talk about my reader man and my this and my that. When and me introduce Obeah to the world. I am the problem who make enough of them people start talking about Obeah. It was me do it. And none of them come out and say, boy, this was because everybody was hiding Obeah for all of the years. Hey, I want to find Vegas right now. I want to find somebody talk Vegas for me. Somebody talk Vegas for me. Because a long time I want to talk this, you know. Somebody talk Vegas for me. Right? Somebody talk Vegas for me. You see Vegas, I know you that, you know. Vegas have sense. Somebody talk Mr. Vegas for me. Anyway, in there, because Vegas have no sense. Vegas have not eat that. Vegas have sense. That's why me and Vegas turn friend. You know why me and Vegas turn friend? Because Vegas know what time it is. You feel me I say? That's why me ain't good enough. People never want somebody find Vegas to me, please. Somebody talk Vegas to me. Me not talk until Vegas come. Me not talk until Mr. Vegas come. Right? And this is not a bad thing. Me not talk until Vegas come. And anybody with the pioneer say we have follow SWAT team from long time. Right? I show you some of them people are wicked and all them people are dirty and steer. And they get up every day and they come out with story and all of that. Somebody tag Mr. Vegas to me. Right? Tag Mr. Vegas to me. Because there's something where Vegas don't know, you know. There's something where Vegas don't know. Let me tell you something. I am the greatest blogger ever standing. I am the greatest blogger that ever standing on planet Earth. The greatest blogger ever standing on planet Earth. Me. I'm going to tell you some things you never know. Right? Never, ever know. As a matter of fact, I need to do this on YouTube too. I need to do it. I need to down a drive and do it. I need to go up online and do it on YouTube and all of that. I need to make this be a exclusive thing. Right? Exclusive thing. I want it to be if I want to understand how this whole Obeah business started, how them people fake and wicked and these people are scammers. And when I start calling me name and foolishness, then me have to just come out and speak. Because as I said, I don't get involved in pasa like I used to before. And as a matter of fact, tonight is the night. I make sure they do the interview, but tonight I go on and I go talk. I go talk all I must talk. And tell you how all of this thing unfold and tell you everything. You never know. Right? On a tag. And guess what happened? Some people, I will call some people name where at the end of the day, no for now go against me and say whatever it is and blah blah blah. And it's not in a bad intention, it's a good intention. As a matter of fact, what time it is, because tonight I eat, you know. Tonight I eat. It's 4:24 in the US right now. 4:24 in the US right now. You see tonight, 6 o'clock tonight, YouTube live. I go YouTube live tonight, because you know what I go do it on YouTube, because I want it stay on YouTube. Right? Tonight, I'm going to find Mr. Vegas tonight. I go find him. Me and Vegas are going to raise it tonight. I tell Vegas some things we never know. Publicly. I show you how the world go. I am the greatest blogger that ever standing. The greatest blogger that create the most controversial, the greatest blogger that build storage for some of the biggest name in our business. You feel me? So tonight at 6 o'clock US time, YouTube live, I come live tonight. So everybody need for log on tonight by YouTube, come get the real story tonight, all this one Obeah thing, and who I walk over for who tell lie, and what's what and all of that. Tonight is the night. And after tonight, I'm going to see enough how I'm going to do. Right? So 6 o'clock tonight, I come live on my YouTube. And if Shelly, if you see that message here before, link me and feel free to join the live. I send Vegas a message right now because I go tell Vegas something Vegas never. I go make you look on Vegas different after today. I go and make you look on Mr. Vegas different than today. Because I'm not going to 2024 with all of this. I'm not going to 2024 with all of this. It I go talk tonight, one never know. Secret one never know for all these years. So 6 o'clock tonight, I'm going to a disturbance. When I go here, I go. I'm going to call RT and tell RT, say, come sit down over there tonight. Because guess what happened? I'm going to put you to rest tonight. I'm going to put you to rest. Tonight. So 6 o'clock. Dr. Love Live, real Dr. Love music on YouTube, 6 o'clock on the dot tonight. And I don't want to miss this. This is the one time only, because the video may delete it. My YouTube name is Real Dr. Love Music. So I put the pit in your bed. You do what you need to do. If you not go have a bit of sex, do it. Because tonight you're not going to hear some things you never know. You're not going to look on live different. Because remember, I am the file cabinet. I have the information. I mean, I tell you, oh, me is the greatest blogger of all time. All time. There's no blogger like me. And there will be no blogger that ever exists on the planet of the earth. But Dr. Love. See? Real Dr. Love Music is my channel. Tonight, 6 o'clock US time. Come over there and make sure to bring some gift when I come to you. Make sure to bring something come give you. You understand? Because when I hear things, when I go hear things, when I go open my mouth and say, what? You feel me? I say? Because I'm the greatest. Oh, please, man, not blagger. No, we're not talking about slaggers. We're talking about blaggers now. FOOTA ain't no blaggers. FOOTA is slaggers. There's a difference with blaggers. You understand what I say? And we're talking about real people. We ain't talking about alien over here, my friend. So let's stick to the story of real people. You feel me? Cause me hear Firelinks or something. Another live Firelinks as there. Me believe there's some truth to it. Me go talk about that tonight on my live too. FOOTA and I mix tonight to on my live. Every night. And for no hear me calling name, cause me and you don't call name. FOOTA name I call tonight. FOOTA name is calling tonight. Right? Because me hear Firelinks or something. I'm going to adjust something with fire. I want to find Firelinks and tag Firelinks too. Anyway, tonight, 6 o'clock on the Dr. Love Live. Come get the real story reveal. As a matter of fact, I probably invite Father Epic over there tonight too. I call Father Epic, I invite Father Epic over there. You feel me? I say, we're going to raise it tonight. Them are going to interview me and ask me the question. I'm going to tell you no. And I want to find the things that I'm telling you. All of me I tell you, I want to find it. I'm going to do some research and find them too. Alright, tonight, 6 o'clock. On Real Dr. Love Music page. I hit that.